So, kind of two sets of directions. For my synchronous friends, you are going to go to OneNote and you're going to go to PSSA review. And in there, you should see something that says Monday, Tuesday, PSSA packet number 1. Okay. And at the top, it'll say diagnostic test. So you're doing Monday, Tuesday, PSSA packet number 1. My in-class friends, you guys have a paper copy. So Miss Weidman should have handed that to you, or should have told you to grab one. Okay, so make sure you're looking at that. It's 30 questions, okay? So you have 2 days to do this. This is due, it's due end of class Tuesday. So before you walk out the door or before you the class period ends, you're gonna turn this in on Canvas or put it in the bin with your period's name on it. Make sure your name's on it if you're handing it in person. Okay. So we're gonna go through a couple of tips or tricks as we are looking through this. So you're gonna want to have a pencil and or your stylus out. And we're gonna jump to question number 4. So scroll down to question number 4. We did not learn this yet. Did not learn. So try your best. Okay. Try best. Yeah, so we didn't learn that yet. So just try your best with it. Okay. I am grading these. I'm not really sure how I'm grading them yet, but I am going to be grading them. So make sure you are trying your best. Okay. And same thing for number 5. We haven't learned that yet. So just try your best, okay? This is our next unit, so as soon as we're, like, Thursday, we're starting this unit. So we're going to learn this as soon as we can. So don't you worry, maybe we'll come back and do some of these questions. But just kind of think it out and see what you can get through. The next couple are ones that I don't think we need really any help on. It's a two-way table, scatter plot, solving an equation. This one, number 9, so let's look at question number 9. You're going to want to use the Pythagorean theorem. So, Pythagorean theorem. So, try to think back to that. Question 10 is just the irrational numbers. Question 11, looking at the nonlinear stuff. Scientific notation for question 12. Question number 13, I want you to do that without a calculator. So no calculator for question 13. Okay, that's a huge one. Try to do that without a calculator. Question 14 has, an equation and a couple of answers. So you obviously want to solve. So solve, gosh, what's happening? Solve, then decide answer. Okay, so solve that first and then figure it out. Question 15 is just looking at the slope. Question 16 is asking for your hypotenuse. So remember, that's the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem. Question 17, just convert that. Question 18, figure out where that goes. Question 19, just tell me if it's true. You have a formula sheet. Either you were handed it to you on Thursday in class, or you have it in OneNote in the same section. But you're gonna have to find the volume here. Again, we haven't talked about this yet. This is gonna be right before the PSSAs that we talked about this. But in case you lost the formula sheet, here's the formula that you need for a cylinder. Okay. Next one's describe the graph. Question 22 should look familiar. We've done one like that. 23's tell me if it's linear or not linear. You should be able to do question 24 with no calculator. Okay, so question 24 as well should be no calculator. Question 25 is one of those that we didn't learn yet. So just try your best on that one. So we didn't quite learn it, but just try your best for question 25. Question 26 is straightforward. So 7, 28, and I think that's all I have. So you have 2 days to do all 30 questions, okay? So you're just going to want to try your best through them. Make sure you turned in your packet from Thursday and Friday, okay? So you're going to have today, Monday, and Tuesday to work on this. Yes, you can work with a partner as long as Miss Weidman says it's okay. Yes, you can listen to music while you're working, as long as Miss Weidman says it's okay. And if you want to work out in the hall, make sure you ask her. She probably will be okay with it. She might not be though, okay? So just ask. I think that's everything. So I'll see you guys next on Wednesday when I do another little video. But know that I miss you guys, and I'll see you on Thursday, okay? Bye, guys.